In this video we're going to do the bobble stitch, but we're going to use trebles instead. So you can use double crochets. Usually half double crochets are not used for the bobbles because other stitches are involved with half double crochets because of the amount of yarn that will be on the hook. So let's just go to the second one over and let's create a bobble using trebles. So what you have to do is that the amount of times that you will use that is defined in the pattern. Let's just say that it says go 4 times in. So you're just gonna wrap the hook twice and then going into the same stitch, pull through 2 and 2 and hold it just like that. So now you're not gonna finish it. So you're just gonna wrap again twice and then 2 and 2 and keep holding. Okay, and then once you get your total of 4 done like so, so there is your 4, you're gonna yarn over and pull through everything. So the bobbles will make it look indented on this side, so the popping will be on the opposite side. So if you ever had a project and that you wanted to have the pop on the good side of the project, you would have to crochet this project looking at the wrong side so that the pop ends up on the good side. Let's just show you one more time. So just yarning over twice, and we want to do a total of 4 times of that and just collect them. It's almost like a 4 together stitch. The difference is that you're using the same stitch and not collecting a multiple along the row. So once you get all 4 done, yarn over, pull through all of them, and you will see that it will be become concaved on the front side of the project that you're seeing, and the pop is towards the back. So you want to be paying attention what side that you're doing your bobbles. This is the treble stitch for bobble.